would like to invite our first speaker, Mr. Anil Sabu. Mr. Sabu is the president of Indian Electrical and Electronics Manufacturers Association, the apex association of the Indian electrical equipment manufacturing industry. He is the chairman and managing director of Electrolytes Power Private Limited. Mr. Sabu was also the chairman of Electrama 2020. Today, Mr. Anil will be talking about technology adoption in T&D, the way forward. So viewers, let's welcome Mr. Anil Sabu.
Thank you, Gurlin. Good evening, esteemed panelists, friends from the industry and delegates. On behalf of EMA, I would like to thank you, Team EPR, for inviting me for presenting the electrical industry perspective and outlook of T&D industry to boost this sector. Digitalization, decentralization, and decarbonization are the three key trends that will define the future of the power sector. Advancing these three trends, the speed must be an immediate priority for energy utilities, regulators, and policymakers as we emerge from COVID-19 downturn. Demand for power transmission and distribution equipment correlates with investment in transmission and distribution network, and India is on the verge of becoming a major power nation among developing economies, and increasing demand for electricity, new power generation capacity additions, and expansion of transmission and distribution infrastructure to have become major growth drivers for the sector. Besides this, India has a number of advantages in the manufacturing sector that make it an attractive investment destination. The Indian T&D market is changing significantly in nature. The market now comprises of corridors for renewable integration, automation, and smart or prepaid metering. There will also be a large market for innovative products line. We shall also see opportunities in distributed generation, energy storage, electric mobility, or even possibly in e-highways. Innovation in technology and business model may be very disruptive. Industry upstream and downstream have to build robustness and resilience in their business process and products by adopting technology. Moreover, we are likely to witness moderate traction in the power distribution sector in the medium term. The growth drivers will be increasing urbanization, smart cities, utility services, and power requirements for expanding infrastructure. Another great catalyst of growth is the technology awareness and acceptance in this sector, which is creating a demand for advanced and sustainable technologies, be it in the greenfield or replacement equipment and solutions. Digitalization and technology help us in managing complex grid behavior, accountability, reliability in a sustained and secure manner. In future, with enhanced renewable injection, increase of per capita consumption, evolution of electric vehicle, complex accounting of power trade, the situation is going to become even more complex, and this can only be managed efficiently through digitalization and new technology. Also, it is esteemed that digitalization can significantly reduce the O&M cost, and approximately it can save around 5% annually, which is quite huge amount. Technology not only enhances the efficiency of T&D sector, also even smart switchgears offer advanced protection and high-end energy monitoring systems. Switchgear and control gear market is evolving digitally nowadays, and as switchgear needs digital intelligence, so utilities can view and measure what is going on with the network more frequently before any breakdown happens. For example, even in such a simple item like lightning arresters, you can provide technologically updated surge monitors which will inform the user the magnitude of surge received and record the time and inform the same. And based on these data, you can analyze the systems to prevent such happenings. Earlier, it was not known and you have only solution. The solution is only to replace the failed products. In metering sector, you can see the worldwide smart meter market is projected to expand at 4% CAGR in the period of 2020 to 2030. And you shall be happy to know that IMA member companies contributed ECL, SL to complete the procurement process of 1.5 crore smart meters till date by adopting the new technology which is type tested by BIS. The new horizons in smart metering technologies in the various categories are in communication, 5G, 2NB IoT, eSIM, infrastructure, and data analytics. The major challenges the T&D sector is facing today is in the distribution system. The distribution system suffers from the problem of low voltage, power theft, and high energy losses. The problem of the losses and voltage drop in distribution feeders dependent on each other and varies with the pattern of loading on the feeders. In future, India will need $60 to 80 billion investments over the next 5 years to strengthen its grid transmission infrastructure. The scale of investment envisaged is needed to address the continued structural growth in power demand and overcome operational limitations of the country's national transmission grid, for which the adoption of new systems and technologies must. For example, adoption of new technologies such as drones of remote asset management and optimize existing optic cable to act as sensors for data gathering instead of installing sensors in the way forward. It is the way forward for the growth. This is just the beginning of overhauling a conventional system by adopting new technology and providing efficient working conditions for personnel, manage assets better and extend their longevity. In a nutshell, successful advancing with decarbonization, decentralization and digitalization is important so that society moves forward as one of these issues, whether we are retrofitting old infrastructure or designing energy system from scratch, all requires balancing environmental, economical and social priorities. Only in this way, government, utilities and infrastructure planners can ensure that we get future energy infrastructure just right, both for our economic needs and for the environment, as well as get cost-effective quality power. T&D sector have huge investment opportunity in creating a smart and digitalized power structure, and the next 5 years are really promising and there is an excellent outlook for this sector. Friends, we all should be prepared to grab this, and on behalf of IMA, I promise to extend all possible technological support to manufacturers as well as stakeholders. I can foresee that India shall be one of the world leaders in T&D sector till 2030 by adopting new technology and trends. Thank you.